Our journey with Tagetik started back in 2017 when we did the implementation together with EY Belgium. Since then, we have seen a lot of developments in Tagetik. The latest ones, which are very important to us, are the Power BI connector, which we implemented, and the ESG modules. CCH Tagetik has been for us a very stable reporting environment since the beginning, which was also very much adapted to our specific business needs. So it has been a true valuable asset in the toolset that we have as a corporate, and I expect it to remain like that in the future. The fact that we have our statutory and our management reporting in the same environment in Tagetik allows us to streamline a lot between the two working streams. It is a true benefit, it is an efficiency gain, and it gives us a big alignment between two streams. Currently, we are exploring together with EY Belgium the ESG models. We are analyzing what we need as a company, and based on that, we will implement within Tagetik the necessary modules. The biggest benefit is trust in our reporting. Everything is easily accessible, centralized, and everybody can have a look on the real numbers at any time. It has eliminated for us discussions about the validity of numbers, and it has brought forward our fact-driven by the management. Our corporate controller, who is also the admin of our CCH Tagetik environment and our Power BI environment, is now saving more than 30 minutes at least in the refresh of our reporting package. So we went from at least 45 minutes to less than 15 minutes. The increased visibility on our numbers has enabled us to make better decisions when it comes to evaluating revenue generated by a customer or the evolution of expenses. It has really been truly an eye-opener throughout the whole P&L. I would strongly advise to anybody using CCH Tagetik to connect with Power BI, as I think it has a value for every company, no matter the size and no matter the business that they are in.